Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to do a quick video on a Kia Fob on how to change the battery. If your key look just like this is from a 2019 Kia Sportage. Okay, pop it open. Now you have this cut, so get your finger into here and pull it right out. As you can see, take the battery out, replace it. You use a CR2032. Okay, put it back in, line it up, clip it, and you're all set to go. Well, that is about it. Just wanted to show you, just in case you're clueless on how to take it off. Quick and easy. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.